Story 2. Super Samantha.
Hello, my name is Carla. I'm storyteller.
Hello, my name is Goran. I'm Rebecca.
Hello, my name is Maria and I'm Super Samantha.
Hello, my name is Leluska. I'm the computer.
Hello, my name is Delmon. I'm the boy.
Hello, my name is Ivan. I'm the boy.
Samantha's at home. She's writing an email.
Hi, Samantha. It's Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you want to go to the cinema?
No, sorry, I'm busy. I'm reading an email.
Suddenly, they missed.
Super Samantha, we need your help. A boy's in a trouble. He's lived a 65-mile road and he can't get out.
Samantha puts it on her super glasses and a super coat.
Look, it's Super Samantha. Someone's in trouble.
Help! Help! Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm opening the doors now.
Thank you, Super Samantha.
Bye, take care.
Samantha's at home. She's reading a comic.
Hi, Samantha. It's Rebecca. What are they doing now?
I'm reading a comic.
Oh dear. What's a very afternoon?
Yes, a very boring afternoon.